with strong GDP and unemployment numbers, why no recession in 2023? Well, here's one possible explanation. Hello, this is ChatGPT Today. We just recently had a really good GDP print, 2.4%, which is kind of eye-popping for some of the analysts on the street. Of course, this is on the back of good unemployment numbers over the last few months. So what's going on here? Here's a chart of how the GDP is doing. It's cruising right along there, but again, many people thought we were going into recession. So what could be going on here? Well, digging below the covers, we can see that the non-financial corporates, meaning this is non-banks, this is regular business. In normal years, if we go back to 2008, the recession, as interest rates rise, we would see the net interest payments by corporations go up. Of course, this time it's the other way around. Interest payments have gone down. So what's going on here? It might be interesting to expand. First of all, a little bit of what in terms of the debt outstanding by corporations. First, in the blue here, you have the banking or financial institution, and the dark blue there would be actual businesses. So focusing here is a Fed chart here, you can see that in the last couple of years we haven't had a lot of net new borrowings, and of course the borrowings prior to the last couple of years have been near zero. So the corporations are sitting on all this cash, and they in fact may be sitting on this cash and letting it earn interest as opposed to doing real business. So the earnings of the corporations are doing fairly well. The net corporate interest that corporations have paid are declining, and yet it adds a -5 in terms of the post-tax payments for the interest payments of the corporations. So this means that, in a sense, it gives a +5 to their profit line versus normally in other type of similar economic situation a -10. So it's a huge reversal, and it's all the magic of the interest rates from the Fed. So the question is this not what's happening to the economy? We're seeing the beneficiaries of playing the inverted yield curve in a positive way. Of course, you can make you think, well, that's just good trading, but the point is, it's not necessarily economic growth. It's more a manipulation and trading the financial markets, where they largely knew what the Fed was going to do, as it was telegraphed early on and through this period of time. Let's take a look at what the AI says in terms of what it means to have cash on the balance sheet of a corporation. What does that do to it? And take our online poll. Is the GDP and is the economy not going to have a recession in 2023, and the economy is going to get better? Or is this a temporary phenomenon that will eventually bleed through, and it kind of explains why the recession hasn't come and we're just delaying it? Don't forget to subscribe.